Once upon a time, there was a young programmer named Alice. Alice loved coding and spent most of her time writing code. However, she found that she often got stuck when trying to write more complex programs. One day, Alice's mentor told her that the key to becoming a better programmer was to practice writing code. Alice thought that sounded like a great idea and decided to start small and work her way up to more complex programs. Alice began by writing simple programs that displayed messages on the screen. She then moved on to more complex programs that asked the user for input and performed calculations. At first, Alice found writing code to be challenging. She made many mistakes and had to spend a lot of time debugging her programs. However, with practice, Alice became more proficient at coding and found that she was able to write programs more quickly and with fewer errors. Alice also discovered that writing code was like solving a puzzle. Each line of code was like a piece of the puzzle that had to be fitted together to create a working program. She found that she enjoyed the challenge of figuring out how to make all the pieces fit together. As Alice continued to write code, she found that she became more confident in her abilities. She was no longer afraid to tackle more complex programs and was able to break them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Alice's mentor was pleased with her progress and told her that she was well on her way to becoming a great programmer. Alice was thrilled to hear this and felt proud of all the hard work she had put into learning to code. In the end, Alice realized that practicing writing code was the key to becoming a better programmer. She learned that it was important to start small and work her way up to more complex programs. With practice and persistence, she was able to achieve her coding goals and become a successful programmer.